Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using the platform. In this video, we're taking a look at MyFitnessPal, a popular platform and mobile app found at www.myfitnesspal.com, designed to help you track your diet and exercise. MyFitnessPal provides a comprehensive suite of tools to support your fitness journey. One of the key features is its extensive food database, which contains nutritional information for millions of food items. This makes logging your meals incredibly straightforward, even when eating out or consuming prepackaged foods. Simply search for the item, and MyFitnessPal will automatically populate the relevant nutritional information. Beyond logging meals, MyFitnessPal also allows you to track your workouts. You can choose from a wide range of exercises, inputting details such as duration and intensity to calculate calorie expenditure. This feature helps you understand the balance between calories consumed and calories burned. The platform also provides personalized insights and recommendations based on your goals and log data. Whether you're aiming for weight loss, muscle gain, or simply maintaining a healthy lifestyle, MyFitnessPal can offer tailored advice. Furthermore, MyFitnessPal offers a social component, allowing you to connect with friends and family to share your progress and provide mutual support. This can be a significant motivator for staying on track with your fitness goals. Integration with other fitness apps and devices is another notable feature of MyFitnessPal. By connecting with devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers, you can seamlessly synchronize your workout data, further enriching the accuracy of your calorie calculations and progress tracking. This interconnectedness provides a holistic view of your fitness journey. Finally, MyFitnessPal boasts a user-friendly interface that simplifies the often tedious task of tracking food and exercise. Its intuitive design makes navigating the app and website a breeze, regardless of your tech proficiency. So, whether you're a seasoned fitness enthusiast or just beginning your journey, MyFitnessPal provides a valuable toolkit to help you reach your health and wellness objectives. Check it out at www.myfitnesspal.com and see how it can benefit you.